What it do, what's up? KDiani here in the cut, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do distressed butterfly locks. So you're going to need 5 to 7 packs of free tress water wave 22-inch hair and also a crochet needle. So as you guys can see, I have my braids in already and done. My sections are, my boxes are not that small because as you do the locks, they are going to increase in size, and I didn't want too many in my head, so I made my sections a tad bit bigger. So the first thing you're going to do is grab 2 pieces and you're going to bust each one down the middle and you're going to fluff them out. Once you fluff them out, 2 of those make 1 lock. So you're going to put those together. Then the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and attach the hair to the hook, and you're going to slide it in through the braid. So a way that you can know that your hair is through the braid is if you slide it back and forth. That's how you'll know it's in there properly. So once you have it in the braid, you're going to go ahead and wrap around the base 4 to 5 times. You can go ahead and wrap more than 4 to 5 times, but you want to keep in mind that you want to begin to start wrapping loosely, because wrapping loosely is what's going to help you get that butterfly effect. So after you're done wrapping the base, what you want to do is start creating that butterfly effect. So I'm going to be using the thumb method, and basically what you're going to do is the hair that you're holding in your hand, the remaining hair, you're going to go ahead and stick your thumb between the middle of that hair and kind of wiggle your thumb out of that space to create the butterfly effect. Now you're not going to get it on the first try. It may be a little bit difficult or confusing, but it is really easy once you get the hang of it. So here I'm just showing you guys how to wrap back upwards, and basically what you're going to do is place your index finger towards the bottom, and then you're going to grab that remaining hair and you're going to wrap it up towards the left and around the back of the lock and wrap all the way back up. A few clips ahead there will be a little area where I go in details with information showing you how to understand it, just in case if I'm talking too fast or me verbally saying it is not understandable. So just in case you guys didn't understand anything or missed one of the steps, I am going to go ahead and show you multiple times how to do it so that you can get the hang of it yourself with details, readable details, so that you can understand. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you press that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Videos go up every single week. But here I wanted to show you guys the thumb method one more time because I feel like this one looked the best as far as it being seen on camera. So like I said, basically just stick your thumb between the middle part of the hair and then wiggle your thumb out a little bit and continue to wrap lightly. Wrapping lightly is the key to this hairstyle, so that way you can create that butterfly effect. So this is the results of my hair. This is probably one of my third favorite hairstyles because they're so lightweight. Like, they're not heavy at all. Like, they're really movable. You can style them right away. And like I said, the key is to not wrap tight. Just wrap tight at the root so that way it can cover your hair and be secure. But once you start going down, just wrap lightly and your hair should come out like this. Super cute. I'm really in love. I've never done a hairstyle that was bob, faux locks. Like, I've cut my locks into a bob, but as far as me actually doing a hairstyle as a bob, this has to be my favorite. Like, I really love this hairstyle. So if you guys like this hairstyle or this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions that you have. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share the video because this might help someone out. And hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, mucho besitos.
How y'all doing?
Sheree. You like it?
Yeah.
How much?
Looking right.
Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Get you in the bed, we don't do much talking.